What's up guys? We're going to showcase our new 3D printed products, first starting with our Amplifier series. Just to give you some insight on why we designed the Amplifier, I've always wanted to make the loudest gun on the field because it got people's attention and it always produced some sort of fear. So after reaching out to acoustics engineers, we designed and prototyped several variants, playing with different shapes, materials, and we ended up coming up with these. We have a slim one and a slightly wider one, which is a little bit louder, but this one will fit in even the skinniest of rails. And you can check it out on our website. Hey you guys, here we're out at SE Village. We're testing out the new Banshee amplifier. But before we shoot this, we're going to shoot it with a bare muzzle. So we'll see, this will be our baseline test. Firing. Okay. Try that with the Noveski amplifier. So it does amplify it. It does have a little hollow pop. Ours is designed to be a bit pitchier. So, screwing on the Banshee. Firing. Definitely a noticeable pop. Alright, so this is my personal gun, and this is with it, with no amplifier whatsoever, bare muzzle. Okay, we'll try with the Noveski. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Cool. A lot louder. Let's see how loud it can really go. That's it.